Have you ever wondered if you could earn money by simply answering surveys? In today's digital world, that's not just a dream, it's a reality. Welcome to the world of Digiopinion, a legitimate and globally accessible survey site that offers you the chance to earn cash with ease. All you need is your opinion and a few minutes to spare. No complex tasks, no hidden fees, just straightforward earnings from answering surveys. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around and we'll show you how it's done. Signing up and earning on Digiopinion is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's dive right into it. Step 1 is all about registration. All you need to get started is a valid email address. Head over to Digiopinion's website, find the sign up button, and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Keep that password memorable, folks. You'll also be asked to provide some basic demographic information. This helps Digiopinion match you with the right surveys. Easy as pie, right? Once you're done with that, you'll get an email to confirm your registration. Just click on the link provided and you're officially a member of the Digiopinion community. Moving on to step 2, this is where you start navigating the Digiopinion platform. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all available surveys. Each survey is unique, so don't worry about repetition. They're listed along with their potential earnings and estimated completion time. This way, you can pick and choose based on how much time you have or how much you want to earn. Now to the most exciting part, step 3, answering surveys and earning money. Each survey consists of a series of questions. You just have to read each question carefully and provide your honest opinion. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer here. It's all about your genuine opinion. Once you've completed a survey, your account gets credited with the corresponding amount. It's as straightforward as that. The more surveys you take, the more you earn. And the best part? You can do this anytime, anywhere at your convenience, and voila! You are now ready to start earning through surveys. It's simple, it's flexible, and it's a great way to make some extra cash. So, what are you waiting for? Get started with Digiopinion today, and let your opinions earn for you. Now that you've earned some cash, it's time to reap the fruits of your labor. You've been diligent in answering surveys on Digiopinion, and now it's payday. Here's how you can cash out your well-earned money. It's simple and hassle-free. First things first, you need to have earned at least $10. Yes, just $10. Once you've reached this threshold, you're ready to withdraw your earnings. Now, head over to your account dashboard. You'll see an option to cash out. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the withdrawal page. Here you'll have the option to withdraw your earnings through PayPal. Yes, Digiopinion makes it that easy. Just make sure you've linked your PayPal account to your Digiopinion profile to ensure a seamless transaction. And voila, your earnings are on their way to your account. Congratulations, you've officially made money by simply answering surveys. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to let your opinions pay off. Digiopinion offers a straightforward and simple way to earn some cash. Just answer surveys and watch your earnings grow. It's globally available and free to sign up. Plus, once you've earned at least $10, you can easily cash out through PayPal. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Remember, every opinion counts, and yours could be worth some cash. So go ahead, sign up for Digiopinion today.